Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera blurry on iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 14 series and iPhone 15 series. Let's get started. Firstly, take off your phone case. Sometimes phone case can obstruct or cause glare on the camera lens. Solution 1. Press and hold the volume down button or side button until the slide to power off screen appears. Swipe to power off and restart. Solution 2. Gently wipe the camera lens with a microfiber cloth to remove any dirt, smuts or fingerprints. Solution 3. Go to Settings. In Settings page, tap Camera. Scroll down. Here, disable macro control option. Solution 4. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Camera. Tap Record Video option. Toggle off HDR video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.